Of the House, this physical copy is from the 19th Congress. Pero nagkaroon ng resolution at the start of the term of the 20th Congress na i-adopt yung rules na to and subsequent rules from the 19th Congress to the 20th Congress unless may pagbabago. Ina-open ko po ang page na to. Ito pong page ay nasa Rule 2, Section 3 on the rules of impeachment. Clear po dito kung ano ang steps ayon sa 1987 Constitution. May verified complaint, i-endorso po siya ng resolution of a member of a House of Representatives and shall be filed siya at the office of the Secretary General. Okay? Ito po ang hawak na verified complaint. Ito po ang complaint, binerify po ito through a notary kanina. Ito naman po ang resolution endorsing the complaint. So ngayon, ang last step na ginawa po namin ay final po namin siya at the office of the Secretary General. Nowhere in the rules does it say na ang Secretary General mismo ang kailangan para ma-file tong resolution ay tong impeachment complaint as endorsed by a resolution. Ang opisina lang po ang kailangan. So ngayon po, they refuse to receive it. Pero nowhere in the rules, in the 1987 Constitution, does it say na may kailangang receiving na gagawin. Sa bahagi lang namin, final namin siya. We went through the substituted service na procedure dahil iniwan namin yung kopya ng resolution and ng complaint doon sa opisina. Kahit wala silang date stamp to receive, ganyan, ang end of the day, ito po ay iniwan para sa amin po, file na po.
Filed back. So,
Oo.